Did well getting out.
How you doing? You good?
Great.
Hi, everyone. Good evening.
What a feeling.
That was more nerve-wracking than actually driving the real Formula 1 car.
I can imagine. Just wanted to ask you, how does it feel, Formula 1 on a public road?
It's incredible. Firstly, good evening, everyone. So happy to be here. So proud of what Mercedes has created here. This is history. You know, no one has really done this the right way, and to be able to be a part of this, I've helped develop this car, this engine. Absolutely. So to finally see it come to life, it's magical.
So you're sure next race, which one you pick? The street version or the real one?
No, but I'm hoping to have the first one.
Okay, we'll see.
Okay?
We'll talk about that later on.
We're going to talk about that later on.
Now, what is the most exciting part of your daytime job? I mean, it's difficult, everything is exciting, but what thrills you the most?
Obviously driving the car. The car is, I mean, just now, starting up the car. When I get to the track and I'm in the garage, I've got my suit on, my helmet, earplugs in, and I sit up, and the guy ahead of me gives the guy behind, which starts up the engine, the go-ahead. The engine starts, the vibrations. You know you're about to go and drive at the craziest speeds. And I can't help but have a grin on my face. So, and as soon as I leave the garage and drive down the pit lane, I have the biggest giggle like a kid. So, yeah, that is it. I'm very, very fortunate to be doing what I'm doing.
I think I know what you're talking about. Of course, not to that extent in this extreme form. I mean, timing is everything, and you obviously know that. How does it feel just for the Frankfurt Motor Show to be #1 again?
It feels amazing. The crazy thing is, I was here, I think, many, many years ago with you.
I know.
When I was in Formula 3, I believe. So I've been Mercedes-powered since I was, 18 years old. So it's a long, long journey together. So it's crazy to be here. And as I said, just back then when they started it up for the first time, that's the first time I've sat in the car and had the engine start. And I had the same grin as I have in the garage. So that's a good sign. But of course, we've been working so hard collectively as a team to overhaul Ferrari, and we're finally in the lead, both constructors and drivers. So we're going to be pushing very hard to stay there.
7 to go.
7 to go. 7 more wins to get.
Good luck. 7 wins. Wow, that's ambitious. Okay, great. Take care.
Thank you, dude.